In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage kids' profile on YouTube. If you use YouTube at home, setting up and managing a supervised experience for kids and teens helps keep their viewing more age-appropriate and gives you control over key features. I'll walk you through the exact path you'll use, explain what each area does, and share a few simple tips so you feel confident making adjustments. Start by opening YouTube and signing in to the parent or guardian account that manages your family settings. Look to the top right and click your profile picture. Then click the gear icon labeled Settings. If you're on mobile, tap your profile picture first, then find Settings in the menu. If you don't see Settings, make sure the app is up to date and that you're signed in with the correct supervising account. Inside Settings, find and select the option called Manage Kids Profiles and Features for Teens. This is the hub where supervised experiences are controlled. It connects to your family setup so you can view all managed profiles in one place. If this option isn't visible, it may be due to region availability, or because your family hasn't been set up yet in your Google Family Group. Updating your app or checking your family settings can help. Once you're in, click on the specific kid's profile you want to manage. This opens controls tailored to that child or teen. Here's what you can typically fine-tune. You can choose the overall content level appropriate for their age and decide whether search is available or turned off for a more contained experience. You can review activity settings, like whether watch history is saved, which can improve recommendations, or paused, which keeps viewing more private and limits personalized suggestions. You may also see options to manage autoplay and screen time-related features like reminders to take a break or bedtime prompts, which can support healthy viewing habits. As you adjust these settings, changes usually save automatically. Give it a moment, and then, if possible, check the child's device to make sure everything looks right. If your teen needs a bit more independence, you can gradually enable more features while still keeping boundaries in place. If your child is younger, keeping search off and using a more limited content setting is often a good fit. Remember, you can return to settings and this management page anytime to update preferences as your child grows. That's all there is to it. Open Settings, go to Manage Kids Profiles and Features for Teens, and click into the profile to review and adjust the options that match your family's needs.